Because I know there's always a couple. I always like to give a very special welcome to the folks from Galveston, Texas, because I know you guys took well over 5 minutes to get here today. So we welcome you on board. But ladies and gentlemen, you're about to embark on a cruise vacation experience of a lifetime. Here aboard this wonderful ship, we have more than 2,100 crew members who come from 70 nationalities, and we all have one dedicated, unified goal, and that's to give you the cruise vacation experience of a lifetime. Just get out there and meet us halfway, and you are going to have the time of your life on board the largest cruise ship ever to sail from Galveston, Texas, right here on the Harmony Seas. 10, 9,
Well, good morning and good afternoon, I guess. We had an incredible night last night, first night on the ship. We stayed up and went to the party and had watched the midnight balloon drop. We got videos of everything. Right now I'm just trying to kind of take it easy and go get some lunch. We had a light breakfast. Sharon's doing a little editing. This is our view from our balcony. This is Central Park. It's kind of busy. Last night it was a little dead. We were the only ones here just about. And there's the pool deck above there, the pool deck. And it's kind of nice because it has it's not silent. Like when you have an ocean view balcony, it's mostly silent, except for the ocean. This has a little life to it. There's people walking around, you know, and it's kind of nice with the Central Park over here. All the live plants all around. Yeah, we're still exploring the ship. We haven't seen most of it yet. We're going to another show tonight, Greece. That's going to be interesting. So we're just going to chill out today, and it's formal night also. So we're going to be able to dress up a little bit in the dining room, and then after that hang out a little bit and then go watch Greece. It's about an hour and a half, and after that we'll just see where it takes us. And hopefully we'll turn in earlier than 2 o'clock in the morning like last time. We're getting too old for this, but it's a lot of fun. Look who's the pink lady. Let me show you, pink one.
I don't think it's working.
Let me show you. It's working. Let me see the pink lady. No, the other one. Yeah, right there. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Yeah. We're waiting for the shows to start. We're waiting for the shows to start. And I heard it's really good. So we're gonna do a review after the show and maybe get a few clips. Just okay. Yeah, we'll see you at was wonderful. They put on quite a production. I forgot it was on a ship.
Yeah. So, are we gonna go to the lobby to the 90s party, or are you gonna go?
Follow the guy with the here are the legs. Let's go up.
much fun tonight.